How to add border in Microsoft Word. If you want to add border on this page, you'll have to do is select the paragraph you want to add border. So for my example, this one. Go to home page on the upper left side on your screen. Go to paragraph section and you can see here the border icon here. And on the right side of this, you can see the arrow down button. You can click this and now you can see the border option here. The outside border, the bottom border, the top border, left border, right border, no border, all border, inside border. And also you can change the weight. So you can select on this option. For my example, I set into 1. And another, the style. So you can select on this option. So for my example, I set into solid. And also you can change the color. So for my example, I change into red. And also you can change the padding. I set into 4. And okay guys, to add, you'll have to do is select here in border option. So for my example, I add outside border. So click this. And now you can see here the border on this paragraph. So if you want to change the weight, you can go to weight and style. You can change here. And the color, so I change into red. The padding, you can change here. I add weight. So I set into 6p. So the weight is now bigger. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully add border in Microsoft Word. So if you want to remove this, you'll have to do is go to home page on the upper left side on your screen. Go to paragraph section and go to border icon here on the right side of this. You can see the arrow down. Click this. And here in border option, to remove this border, you'll have to do is select the no border to remove this border in Microsoft Word.